Guys, good afternoon. It's time for math. So we're going to pick up right where we left off yesterday. We are in your math packet, lesson 29, problem set 1-1, and we're on the third problem. So use the number bonds and math drawings in a line to solve. Okay, so put your finger on number 3. Okay, if you can, try to read it. There are 8 animals at the pond. 2 are big, the rest are small. Now the question we have to answer is how many are small? Okay, so we know that in our number bond we put the largest number here. That was 8. Remember, if there are 8 animals at the pond, 2 of them are big. So in a number bond there's a part, and a whole relationship. So 8 represents the whole, and we know that 2 are small, and that represents one part of the whole. So here in the top, we're going to put a 2. Okay. Now, we're going to draw a picture like the one you see up here. So there are 5. Okay, it says 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay, so we're going to use this as a guide, and we're going to draw 8 little squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's my 8 little squares, okay? And then we know that 2 of them are big, okay? So we can take away 2 of the squares. So we're going to circle 2 of the squares like they do in the drawing up here. Okay, and so then the missing part that they don't tell us in the story is what's going to be the remainder. Okay, so we're going to count what is left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I put a little dash mark inside each one as I counted it so that I could keep track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I drew this little thing down below. You don't have to draw that, but it just helps me to see that there are 6 small animals at the pond. Okay, so the missing part in our number bond, go back to the number bond right up here, was 6. 2 large animals, 6 small animals. If you put those together, does that equal 8? It sure does. Now down here, we're going to write our math sentence. So we started with a whole. We started with a total of 8 animals. We took away the big animals to figure out how many were small. So we counted, we figured out there were 2 big animals. So we took 2 out of the equation, and the rest were small animals, which was 6, and that's how we figured out there were 6 small animals. So you're going to write 8 minus 2 equals 6. Just like that, 8 minus 2, or 8 subtract 2 equals 6. And then down here we have to answer the question, blank animals are small. 6 animals are small. Okay? Down here you're going to